Do we have an estate for you? Close to Douglas Lake, the Smoky Mountains, and easy access to I-40. This is 307 Tom Patterson Trail in Dandridge. With 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, you'll enjoy main level living in this 2,800 square foot custom built RLS Builders home on 3.6 acres. Beneath 9-foot ceilings and 2x6 exterior walls, enter the great room with a double tray ceiling and centered by this tremendous Masonry gas fireplace. The island kitchen is spacious, complete with custom cabinetry and counters of granite, and it's outfitted with top-line appliances. Step into the soundproof theater room for a great movie. Your bedrooms were designed for privacy. On one side, the primary bedroom with an imposing master bath. On the other side, a Jack and Jill concept with shared bath. Now, after your spacious 3-car garage, meet your 2,800 square foot workshop, complete with a kitchen, office, bath, even a bar area for entertaining a big group. And next to the workshop is a 30-foot deep garage that's perfect for your RV. 307 Tom Patterson Trail is being offered fully furnished, so it'll be move-in ready, and it's time to take your private tour. Call Burlin Allen or Darrin Breeden of ReMax Between the Lakes direct